really miss this. Going out, I don't know, irrespective of the weather, and just enjoying it. It's been quite some time, so whatever comes our way, it's gonna be fun. It rained pretty heavily last night, and hence that's why it's really pleasant right now. But now it looks like it's gonna pour really heavily. So yeah, I was talking about how cycling has picked up these days. I saw quite a few cyclists, which is a good thing. Because I've been cycling for the last 1 year regularly in the early mornings, and it was never this crazy in terms of the people out there. So for the people who've taken this downtime and just worked it around their health, I think that's the best that you can do. So I've just reached here. I'm not sure if they're open yet. I'll first go and check if they are. If they are, that's a good thing. It has just started to rain. Okay, so I'm heading back to home. It was an amazing morning. I've been wanting to come here since a long time. It's been a long time since I came here. I think the last I was here was last year. It's just such a joy to be on this bike. Always. It was really nice visiting Humayun after such a long time. This is one of the few monuments in Delhi that is really close to my heart. I've been visiting this place since I think the last 10-12 years, and I've always been in awe of it, irrespective of when I come, what time of the day it is, or what time of the year it is. It's always beautiful, and it's always so peaceful and calm. I'd recommend you come here if you have the time on weekdays in the mornings like I have. Otherwise, if it's only the weekends that you can spare, pick the earliest time of the day. Most of the Delhi's monuments open at around sunrise and they close at around sunset. So pick the earliest time of the day and I think you will be good in terms of not being around crowds.